Hello students, this is Shubhangi. Today I am back with new topics, ribcage, joints and muscles. So let's get started. Our first topic is ribcage. Before knowing about ribcage, we need to know about ribs. What are ribs? Ribs are delicate bones found in the chest region. It means bones of chest region are called ribs. There are 24 ribs in our body. These ribs form a cage-like structure called rib cage. Rib cage has 24 ribs, 12 on each side. It means 12 on right side and 12 on left side. Students, do you know what is the function of rib cage? As we know, rib cage is found in the chest region. The rib cage protects our vital organs such as heart and lungs. Our next topic is joints. Do you know, students, what is the function of joint? Then you will say joint connects two points. Similarly, our body has different types of joints which connects two bones. Movements of bones is possible because of joints. As we can see, the junction between two bones is called a joint. It helps us to bend, twist, turn and pick up the things. There are two types of joints in our body, immovable joints and movable joints. Now we are going to discuss about immovable joints. What are immovable joints? The joints that do not show any kind of movement are called immovable joints. For examples, the joints between the bones of skull are immovable joints. Do you know, students, we can move our lower jaw because it is movable joint. The lower jaw is the only part of the skull that can move. What are movable joints? The joints that provide movement to the body are called movable joints. Movable joints are found between the bones of arms, legs, hips and shoulders. Look at the diagram, students. This diagram shows all types of joints in our body. For this diagram, please refer page number 19. There are 4 types of movable joints in our body: hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint and gliding joint. Now we are going to discuss about hinge joint. The joint at elbows and knees are called hinge joint. And one important thing, hinge joints allows the bone to move only in one direction. Next is ball and socket joints. Look at the diagram. These joints are found in hips and shoulders. This kind of joint allows movement in all directions. Next movable joint is pivot joint. The joint between our head and neck is called pivot joint. Next, gliding joint. Gliding joint are found in our wrist and ankle. Our next topic is muscles. As we know, students, muscles are connected to the bones, and muscles help in movement of bones. Muscles are made of soft, fleshy but strong tissues. There are 3 types of muscles in our body: voluntary are skeletal muscles, involuntary are smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Voluntary muscles are found in arms, legs, eyes, tongue, etc. These are controlled by our will. When we move, read, write, walk or run, voluntary muscles are used. Next is involuntary or smooth muscles. We can't control these muscles because these muscles work automatically. For example, when we swallow the food, it moves through the stomach because of muscular action. The next is cardiac muscles. These muscles are special kind of muscles because this found only in heart. So here we have completed our chapter, and I have also uploaded the PDF of exercise for this chapter. So please download the file from IPS app. That's all we have for today. Bye bye and take care.